Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering down and unplugging the console. This prevents shorts. Once done, remove external drives and set the Xbox on a clear table. Make sure you have Torx T8 and T10, a spudger, compressed air, cotton swabs, and a small container for screws. Now, release clips carefully, don't force plastic. You'll get access to the fan and heatsink. Why? Because noise usually comes from dust buildup, an obstructed fan blade, or failing bearings, so you're heading straight to the source. Once the case is open, take photos as you proceed so reassembly is simple. Next, gently hold the fan to prevent spinning and use compressed air in short bursts to dislodge dust. This protects the bearings. Make sure to blow from both sides of the fan and clear the heatsink fins thoroughly, because restricted airflow raises temperatures and forces higher RPMs. Then, use a cotton swab to remove stubborn debris. If blades are sticky, lightly dampen the swab with isopropyl alcohol. You now reassemble the console and reconnect power for a controlled test. Once powered, listen for reduced noise and watch fan behavior. If it's still loud or grinding, the bearing or motor may be failing, so replace the fan. Also check thermal paste and heatsink seating. Poor contact forces higher fan speeds. Finally, if problems continue, try another power supply or run a firmware update. If nothing helps, document the issue and pursue a replacement fan or warranty service to avoid further damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.